The big breaking news this week from the world of auto is the announcement of the crash test results by Global New Car Assessment Program, also known as Global NCAP, of two of the most popular vehicles in India, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza and RENAULT LODGY MPV. The Vitara Brezza scored 4 stars in the adult occupancy in the crash test conducted by Global NCAP, while RENAULT LODGY scored 0 stars. In detail, these crash tests conducted by Global NCAP were carried at speed of 64 km per hour, and the structure of Vitara Brezza SUV was rated as highly stable. The inclusion of dual airbags right from the base variant along with ABS and child anchorage seats has helped the car to get high scores at the Global NCAP results. But it's not all good news for Renault in India. The LODGY MPV, which otherwise is a very stable product, has been given 0 stars because the base variants do not come with airbags. Now, the other big news coming from the SUV space is that the Mahindra Scorpio SUV will see an all-new generation coming in 2020. As the BS6 norms kicks in, Mahindra is getting ready to upgrade its entire product portfolio, and well, the famous Scorpio SUV is going to undergo a complete design revamp and is going to look nothing like it looks right now. The Mahindra Scorpio SUV will be designed by both companies' design house here in Mumbai along with the company-owned Italian design firm Pininfarina. We expect the new design to take on the likes of Tata Harrier and also the upcoming Kia SP concept, which is likely to be called as the Kia Tracer SUV. Jumping onto the motorcycle bandwagon, Chennai-based Royal Enfield has finally launched the 650 Twins into the US market. Now remember, these two Royal Enfield motorcycles, including the Continental GT650 and the Interceptor 650, will make its India debut this festive season. The prices in the US market is close to about 4.3 lakh rupees, but then again it's exported from Chennai into the US market. In India, we expect the prices to drop to about 2.8 lakh rupees, making it a strong competition against the KTM Duke 390 and taking on Harley-Davidson Street 750. This week, we have also driven the LEXUS ES300H hybrid sedan for you. For more details from the world of automobiles, do log on to expressdrives.com.